We need to identify, say identify, the culprit in our lives. You need to identify the culprit in your life. Fears travel through life disguised in many deceptive faces. Put on these faces. Fear puts on faces that blinds us and to keep us from knowing who he is. Satan is the master of disguise. He's always hiding behind the mask. In reality here, fear is the warden that keeps you imprisoned. I'm in here all by myself. Unsuspected. You find yourself locked in a prison cell that you cannot open because of fear. I can't get out. I'm stuck. I'm right here. I can't. People suffering from all of these phobias because of what? Fear. Fears. I'm been watching this television program called The Silo, and in The Silo they got this lady who have not in 25 years stepped outside of her apartment because of fear. Many of y'all can't move to the next level in your life because of what? Fear. Fear. The fear has you entangled, has you locked up, and have you bound up. I can't love nobody else because of what somebody else did to me. I want to say something else, but I ain't going to say it. Help me, Jesus. I don't want y'all calling me at home, Pastor. Now, you ought not say that across the pulpit. Amen. You have the power. Say, I have the power to open the prison doors of my life. Say amen. Y'all ought to be. Yeah. Don't let the finances that you mismanaged keep you locked up and bound up. Get yourself somewhere. Get you a pencil and a piece of paper and a calculator and calculate and do what you need to do to get yourself out of the financial trouble that you got yourself in. Amen. Don't allow that to keep you locked. If you're in prison on a job, get your resume out and work on it and brush it up and send it out and pray to God to open up another opportunity so you can get a better job. Stop being in prison. You know you in a bad relationship. You know that stuff ain't going right. You know it ain't good for you and the folk that you with. Set yourself free. Yes, sir. Stop worrying about it. I got to keep this man because I might not get another man. I'm up in here all by myself. Sister told me one day, why should I let you go and let you take care of another woman like you take care of me? Say amen. That sister was locked up in the prison of Dr. Do It All. Amen. I had to catch myself. Amen. I better leave her alone. She going on about her business now. Houdini he was a great musician, and he had placed himself inside of a cell that was never locked, and he thought it was locked. His life was locked because of these superstitions that he had. But what he did not know that the lock was not on the cell, but it was in his mind. Fear will keep you bound as long as you give it power and feed it.